Welcome everyone to our tip of the week. In this tip of the week, I'm going to give you more information about a topic many people are asking us about, amnesty. I talked about this in another video and I wanted to give you more information. In the next few minutes, I'm going to share with you the 9 types of documents you should gather now so that you are ready to apply if amnesty happens, as President-elect Biden has been talking about. These are also documents you would need with any other immigration application. So even if you don't need amnesty, this will help you. Hi everyone, my name is Mejer. I'm an immigration attorney and an immigrant myself. My goal is to make sure your life is transformed for the better by being our client. If there is a topic you'd like to know more about, we love it when you leave us comments, and we'll do our best to talk about your subject, so let us know. If you need an immigration attorney, our office is here to help. For almost any immigration application, and if amnesty is available after President-elect Biden is in office, you're going to need the following types of documents. Number 1, a valid passport. This means it must be current. If your passport is not current, I recommend you do everything you can to get it replaced right now. 2, the passport you had when you entered the US. It may have expired. That's okay. I hope you still have it, because if you entered legally, your passport will have a visa on it. 3, if you entered legally, you will also need your I-94 from when you entered. Nowadays, it's just a stamp on your passport, but it used to be a white document that was issued with every entry. 4, your birth certificate, as well as any marriage certificates, death certificates, or divorce decrees. 5, the birth certificate of any U.S. citizen children you have. 6, documents showing a continuous residence in the U.S. Usually when amnesty is offered, it is for people who have lived in the U.S. for a certain period of time and have stayed here during that time. Take DACA, for example, that now can be applied again. You need to document that you've been in the U.S. since June 15, 2007 until today. That's 13 years. Now, how do you do that? Well, you will need proof to show you've been here. It might be a lease, rental agreements, utility bills, medical records, school records, junk mail, photos, any other documents that support your claim. 7, tax returns. If you haven't filed taxes, you should make plans to do at least the last 2 or 3 years. Then each year you apply for that year plus one prior year. That way, the next year you will have filed for 5 years, the following years for 7 years, until you're all caught up. Make sense? Number 8, any documents you've submitted to USCIS, such as applications and response from them, even if they were denials, particular denials, because if they point out an issue, well, we may have to deal with it in any future application. 9, criminal history, if any. It is most likely that you will need to have a background check done to be granted amnesty. You usually need to do biometrics through USCIS, and they check your background history. If you are worried about something in your past, our office can do a background check for you. Our check is more complete than most because we are looking in the same places USCIS will look. Call us if you'd like us to do that. There is a fee, but we think it's worth to resolve any issues with your background before applying for an immigration benefit. So there you have it. 9 types of documents that you'll need when you apply for amnesty. When we apply for an immigration benefit for our clients, we include other evidence depending on what they're applying for. Please know that this list is very basic and it's for informational purposes only. If you need help with your immigration problem, call us today. I'll see you next time. Stay healthy and be well.